Move a Jenkins job to a folder. Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.346.3. And on this controller, I have a sample job. First off, let's take a look at the options for this job. If we click on Test Pipeline and look at the dropdown that shows here, notice we see Changes, Build Now, Configure, Delete Pipeline, Full Stage View, Rename, and Pipeline Syntax. What we don't see is the ability to move. In order to move a job around on a Jenkins controller, we need to first have a folder. So let's go into New Item. Let's create a folder. We're going to name it Alpha. I'm not going to make any changes to this. We'll just click on Save. Let's go back up to the root of our controller. And now when we click on this drop down beside Test Pipeline, we now have a Move option. So let's go ahead and select Move. And then it asks us, where do you want to move this pipeline, Test Pipeline, to? Now, if I left it at Jenkins, that would move it to the root of Jenkins. Well, we're already there. What we want to do is move it to Jenkins Alpha. So we can select the dropdown and click on Move. Now watch our breadcrumb. Right now it's Dashboard and Test Pipeline. Click on Move, and now you'll notice that Test Pipeline is under Alpha. Let's go ahead and click on Dashboard. You'll notice that Test Pipeline is gone from the root of the controller, and when we click into Alpha, we now see Test Pipeline in the Alpha folder. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.